Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door shelf in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new refrigerator door shelf. The refrigerator door shelf is located on the right side refrigerator door. There are 3 of them, and the position of all 3 could be changed. The main reason for the refrigerator door shelf to be replaced is if it breaks and no longer stays in place. To get it apart, we need to open the right side door. To remove the old shelf, all we need to do is just knock it up, and then we can just pull it out straight. This is the old refrigerator door shelf next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new shelf in, we need to lock these 2 tabs over these slides here. So we can choose one of the 3 positions. I'm going with the lower one. Slide it in and then press it down. And now, when we're done, we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.